Unveiling the truth, are INFJs really the most dangerous personality type? Prepare to dive into a world of personality insights as we unravel the misconceptions surrounding INFJs. From empathy to introspection, let's explore the real traits that define this fascinating personality type. Get ready to challenge your assumptions and discover the authentic essence of INFJs right here, right now. Don't miss out on this eye-opening journey of understanding and debunking stereotypes. The myth of danger, unraveling the stereotype. The idea that INFJs are the most dangerous personality type seems to stem from misconceptions and misunderstandings about what defines this type. Often described as compassionate, empathetic, and introspective, INFJs are unlikely candidates for a dangerous label. The confusion might arise from their complex nature, as INFJs possess a unique blend of traits that can be misunderstood if not examined closely. Exploring the traits of an INFJ. 1. Compassion and empathy. INFJs are known for their deep empathy and ability to understand the emotions of others. This profound understanding often makes them excellent listeners and advisors. The notion of danger seems at odds with this characteristic, as empathy is more likely to lead to understanding and harmony than to harm. 2. Idealism. INFJs are driven by their ideals and often work passionately toward creating a better world. While their idealism can lead to a strong sense of conviction, it is usually channeled into positive actions rather than harmful ones. 3. Introverted nature. INFJs are introverted, meaning they recharge by spending time alone. This introspection and self-awareness help them navigate complex emotional landscapes, but it is not a trait that typically lends itself to dangerous behaviors. 4. Judging and intuitive traits. The judging and intuitive aspects of the INFJ personality type make them decisive and insightful. However, these traits are not inherently dangerous. Rather, they contribute to their ability to make thoughtful and well-informed decisions. Dispelling the misconceptions. INFJs in reality. The belief that INFJs are dangerous often arises from misinterpretations and generalizations. Just like any personality type, INFJs have a diverse range of individuals, each with their own experiences, beliefs, and behaviors. To label an entire group as dangerous is overly simplistic and disregards the complexity of human personality. The role of context, understanding behavior. It's essential to understand that behavior is shaped by a multitude of factors, including upbringing, environment, personal experiences, and mental health. An INFJ, like anyone else, can display negative behavior when subjected to adverse conditions or challenges, but this does not define their inherent nature. Embracing diversity in personality. Labeling any personality type as inherently dangerous is a disservice to the intricate tapestry of human diversity. INFJs, with their compassionate hearts, creative minds, and keen insights, are far from dangerous. They are individuals driven by their deep desire to understand, empathize, and contribute positively to the world. Let's move away from perpetuating stereotypes and instead celebrate the richness of human personality. By embracing and appreciating the unique qualities of each personality type, we can foster a more inclusive and understanding society.